MTSR stock analysis. This is for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at this thing, my bad, let's go higher. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, not much data. We only have data coming from February when it got listed on the NASDAQ, but it's kind of interesting. Still, I'm gonna stick to my strategy that I've tested for 39,000 videos. And generally speaking, MTSR is only a thing where, let me just mark the lows down. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, only if there's like some sort of shift like that, only then I'm going to be willing to take things down. Randomly buying or selling out like all over the place is not going to be the play. And how, like, why am I saying this? Who am I to talk? Well, maybe because I've done this for 40,000 videos, right? So I've seen kind of collecting my data, using common factors analysis, and even the scientific method to see what's making me money and what's not. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.